Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the float switch in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/8 open-ended wrench, 5/16" nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, Torx 20 screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new float switch. The float switch is installed under the dishwasher in the center. It's designed as a safety device to prevent overflowing. If water rises above the allowed level, the float switch turns the inlet valve off and turns the drain pump on. If you find a lot of water increasingly collecting on the floor around the dishwasher, the float switch should be checked and replaced if needed. To get at the part, we need to open the door. We need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. And that's right there, and one in the corner on the left and one in the corner on the right. Using a Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to take it out. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Okay, let's pull it out. Now we're gonna tilt it up and I'm gonna jam it under the counter. And I'm gonna take out a couple of Phillips screws here in the corners and remove the toe panel. Alright, I'm going to put it on the feet and pull a little bit more out, and we're going to place it on the left side carefully. To get to the part, we need to remove this cover, and for that we need to take out this Torx 20 screw. I'm using the Torx 20 screwdriver. Remove the screw. Then we're going to take out the harness from that clip. Next would be this tab. I'm going to push it out, opening it, and then we can remove the cover. Now we're going to free the lever from the float and pull it off. And then I'm going to use this Torx 20 screwdriver. I'm going to take out the second screw here on the right side. And we're going to remove this assembly. And now we can take this lever off. Simply slide it out. Remember, this way it goes in. And now we need to carefully open this tab. Well, actually, not so carefully because you're going to replace the switch anyway. This tab is a part of the switch. Open it and slide this plug out. So we're now going to take it to the table and we're going to move out the switch. Now I'm going to take out the switch from the bracket. I'm going to jam this larger screwdriver in the back, applying some pressure to the switch. I'm going to use a small screwdriver here, opening, and it's going to come out. This is the old float switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we can install the new switch into the bracket. It goes in this way. Slide it in. Push more till those two clips here will lock into the holes. Alright, so now I'm going to plug this harness. Make sure it's locked. And now the lever goes back on. It goes in this way. And I'm going to place it on. I'm going to hold the float and install the lever on by pressing it on. And then I'm going to secure this bracket with a Torx 20 screw here on the right. And then we're going to place the cover on. Press it on. Okay, let's put the harness in. And we're gonna secure that cover with this Torx 20 screw. Alright, now we can put it upright. And I'm gonna put the toe panel on. Placing it on. I'm going to match the holes and put a couple of screws here. That's the Phillips screws. Now I'm going to place the dishwasher down and reinstall it under the counter. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve, then tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. And now I'm going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. And now we can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.